Welcome back MH Car Review, and today we have something truly extraordinary sitting right in front of us. This is the 2026 Mercedes-Benz luxury motorhome, and I have to tell you, from the moment I laid eyes on this machine, I knew this was going to be one of those videos that completely changes the way you think about road travel. This is not just a motorhome. This is a rolling palace, a statement on wheels, and quite possibly the most jaw-dropping vehicle Mercedes-Benz has ever put their three-pointed star on. So buckle up, because we are going deep into everything this beast has to offer, from that stunning exterior all the way through to what it costs to actually own one of these things. Let's start with what you see first, because honestly, you cannot talk about anything else until we address this exterior. Mercedes-Benz has gone absolutely all out with this design, and that bold candy apple red finish is just the beginning. The bodywork on this motorhome is unlike anything you have ever seen in the RV or luxury coach segment. It is sculpted, aerodynamic, and aggressive in a way that feels more like a supercar concept than a road home. The front fascia is dominated by an absolutely massive panoramic windshield that wraps around in a sweeping curve, giving the driver an almost cinematic field of vision. Below that, you have sharp LED daytime running lights that cut through the lower bumper area like lasers, sitting alongside what appears to be an active air intake system designed to keep everything underneath cool and running at peak performance. Moving along the side, the roofline flows in two distinct levels, giving this vehicle that stunning double-decker silhouette that commands attention from every angle. The lower body panels have been sculpted with character lines that run the full length of the coach, catching the light beautifully and making the red paint look almost like liquid metal in direct sunlight. The wheel arches are deep and muscular, housing a set of multi-spoke chrome alloy wheels that look like they belong on a high-end sports car rather than something this size. The stance is incredibly low for a vehicle of this scale, which tells you immediately that Mercedes has done serious engineering work here to get the ride height just right. There are large tinted panoramic windows along the full passenger area, framed in gloss black trim that contrasts perfectly with that red bodywork. Even the mirrors are aerodynamically shaped and appear to incorporate cameras, keeping drag to an absolute minimum while maintaining full visibility. From the rear, the vehicle tapers with the same athletic confidence, featuring full-width LED taillights and what looks like a custom diffuser-style lower bumper treatment. Every single panel on this motorhome looks intentional, deliberate, and expensive. Now stepping inside, and this is where the word luxury genuinely gets redefined. The interior of this 2026 Mercedes-Benz motorhome reads less like a vehicle cabin and more like a penthouse suite in a five-star hotel. The main living area features floor-to-ceiling cabinetry finished in lightwood veneer and soft cream leather upholstery that runs across the seating areas and wall panels. There is ambient lighting embedded throughout the ceiling and along the lower floor trim, which you can program to create whatever mood you are going for, whether that is a warm golden dinner setting or a cool blue lounge atmosphere for evening travel. The main lounge area features large wraparound seating with individual recline controls and integrated massage functions, positioned around a central entertainment system that includes a massive 4K OLED display. Behind the lounge, you move into a fully equipped kitchen with integrated appliances including a professional-grade espresso machine, induction cooking surface, and full refrigeration system, all finished in brushed stainless steel. The bathroom is genuinely spa-level, featuring a walk-in rain shower, heated marble effect flooring, and a vanity mirror with integrated lighting. The master bedroom suite on the upper level features a queen-sized bed with memory foam mattress, custom built-in storage throughout, and its own private entertainment system. Climate control is fully independent across different zones, and the entire interior is managed through a centralized touchscreen smart home system that controls everything from lighting to window blinds to temperature. On the performance side, this motorhome sits on Mercedes-Benz's latest heavy commercial chassis, powered by a turbocharged inline-six diesel engine producing in the region of 530 horsepower and over 1,800 Newton-meters of torque. That is serious pulling power, and it is managed through a smooth 9-speed automatic transmission with drive modes that allow the driver to tailor the behavior depending on road conditions. The suspension system is fully air suspended across all axles, with adaptive damping that reads the road surface in real time and adjusts within milliseconds to keep the interior as smooth and level as possible. Despite the sheer size and weight of this vehicle, which tips the scales at somewhere around 26,000 kilograms fully loaded, it drives with a composure and refinement that genuinely surprises you. Advanced driver assistance systems are standard throughout, including lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system that makes maneuvering this massive machine far less intimidating than you might expect. Now to the number everyone has been waiting for. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz luxury motorhome in this specification starts at approximately $3.2 million, and depending on how you configure the interior, bespoke paint options, and additional technology packages, that number can climb comfortably past $4 million. This is not a vehicle for the average buyer, but for those who live their life at the absolute highest level, it is hard to argue with what Mercedes has delivered here. This is the future of luxury road travel, and it is breathtaking. If you enjoyed this review, hit that like button, subscribe to MH Car Review, and we will see you in the next one.